Top of the morning, all my lovely people. It's your boy, Damien Dupee, with We Are Land Specialists, your number one off-market land specialist, hyper-focused on that infill lot, bringing you some more epic wow content. Today, we're going to be talking about nothing I've heard yet. You know, I'm not saying nobody doing it, but I ain't heard it yet. And I'm glad I can give you insight and bring you some mumble sauce this morning, okay? Today, I'm going to be talking about how to leverage credit cards to buy land, okay? I'm going to break it down for you, and I'm going to show you an example of a good play, what you can do to use this strategy to increase your income without using your own money. You may say, Damien, why would I use credit cards to buy land? I'm going to break it down for you. Trust. I'm going to give it to you straight, short and sweet. Again, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, turn your notification bell on. If you find this video valuable, drop me a comment. I appreciate you. I'm telling you, I'm doing this for the people. I believe in looking out for the cookout. And again, my goal is to bring you the most innovative, the most accurate things that I'm doing in my business. And hopefully it can be a blessing to you, and you. Okay? Without further ado, if you can see my screen, I'm going to teach you how I was able to come up with this strategy, how I was able to set this up. I used a company called Fund and Grow. If you look right here on my left-hand side, Fund and Grow is basically a company that gets you what we call business lines of credit, okay? And what business lines of credit does, well, it reports to the only on your business side and not your personal side, people. Hear me out. So this doesn't show up. This doesn't affect your credit score. It doesn't affect your debt to income ratio. It doesn't affect your credit utilization. You understand? So to be able to have business credit is a beautiful thing, okay? Because you want to learn how to do what we call OPM, okay? OPM stands for other people's money, okay? You got to learn how to use other people's bread to get stuff done. You find opportunities that needs money. So instead of begging folk, calling, asking folk, you can leverage your credit, okay, to get funds and use that funds to buy deals, okay? So I'll just break down. I am an affiliate with Fund and Grow. If you want to get down like James Brown, I will have the link in the description. They have a couple different payment options. I chose to pay it in full. I want to say it was $3,200 for a year. You go through 3 rounds. And as you can see, I'm on round 2. Round 3 is coming up in September. And they got me 114 racks. Look right here. Check it out. I say, check it out. Look at it. 114 racks I can use to play with to try to flip, double, whatever I need to do, to utilize this. The beautiful thing I like about this is you have a 0% introductory rate. Not only that is that you have no interest for 12 to, I want to say 14 months. Okay. What does that mean, Damien? That means in the credit card world, I got to break it down for you. In the credit card world, typically when you apply for a credit card, you apply for a credit card and they charge you a percentage rate to borrow money. That's not the case for business lines of credit on the introductory. This is amazing if you learn how to leverage it, if you know how to get in where you fit in, okay? So not only am I getting this bread, but I'm getting this bread at 0% and I'm getting it at, no cost. All you have to do is pay 1% of the loan balance, okay? So if you run these cards up, okay, if you run them up, let's just say I run up the whole 114 racks, okay? Basically, my principal payment will be $1,140 a month to carry that balance. And I'll give you a couple strategies on how I would, do a deal or what I'm looking for or what I'm not looking for. Okay. You may say, okay, Damien, you told me how to get the credit. You showed me how to get 0% interest credit for umpteen months. How do I get it off the card? You use a third-party company called Plastic, Plastiq. Right here on the right-hand side of my screen. It might be your left, but basically Plastic allows you to convert credit into liquid. You can convert it into checks. You can convert it into a wire transfer. You can convert it. There is a fee, ladies and gentlemen, but the fee is minimum. I want to say Plastic charge between 2.5% to 2.8%, which is a flat fee to liquidate that credit card. So let me break this down for you. This is not looked at as a cash advance, which you pay more interest on, okay? It's not looked at as that. It's looked at it as a purchase, okay? So let me just do the math on 114,000 times 0.025. So in order to access 114,000, you typically would need $2,850, okay? You can literally leverage a card, don't take the whole 114 off, and use one of the cards to pay the $2,850. You understand? So, you know, there's so many ways to skin a cat, ladies and gentlemen. What I'm trying to show you folks is sometimes it's wise to take down deals, meaning to purchase a deal and put it back on the local market for a retail buyer, okay? I primarily wholesale because I like to be in and out of deals between 21 to 30 days. However, there is some deals where it's some juice in them where I will take them down and I will put them on the market and I will go for what we call the highest and best offer, okay? So again, Fund and Grow get you the business lines of credit. Plastic converts the business line of credit into cash. Now, let's talk about deals, okay? You have to be very, very aware that there is tons and tons of opportunities out there that you can buy, but you need money. Unfortunately, some deals you just need money, okay? And if you don't have money, then unfortunately you can't access that deal. So I'm showing you, you know, how I would do a deal. Let me just show you real quick. All right. And I got to show you some more sauce too. I got some more sauce to you. I'm going to break it down to you. All right. So this deal right here, ladies and gentlemen, is at the courthouse. At the courthouse. Let me pull this deal up for you. Let me show you what I'm going to do with this deal. When I get it, I'm claiming it by faith. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. I'm going to run it up. I'm going to run it up. I know where to stop at. So let me break down a deal for you. This is my local GIS map. This is Polaris 3G. I'm going to just break down one deal for you. And I'm going to give you a couple different scenarios on how I'm going to run up on this deal, how I'm going to take it down, and how I'm going to put it on the market to get the highest and best offer. All right, so let me show you this lot. I don't know why that ain't working out too good for me. I thought that was all right, well, I got it right here. Cool. Boom. All right. So you can see my screen. This is what we call a infill lot, ladies and gentlemen. This is inside of a subdivision. Okay. Infill. All right. Let me cut my layers on. Lot dimensions, which is important. Zoning. If you're in Charlotte, you got to cut these layers on, ladies and gentlemen. Post-construction, water quality. And I want my sales. I want my sales on so I can see what's crack-a-lacking, okay? All right, so this deal right here is at the courthouse, ladies and gentlemen. I have bid on this deal. You do have to put down a 5% deposit, okay? It can be in the form of cash or a cashier's check, okay? And basically, Charlotte has what we call a 10 upset bid period. Basically, what that means is once you place a bid, other bidders have 10 days to upset that bid to increase that bid by 5%. I did bid on this deal. As you can see, I bidded on this deal July 26. The bid was at $30,000. I upset it at $31,500. I deposited $1,575, and the comps is $70,000 to $75,000. Okay, I don't think you hear me. I say the comps are $70,000 to $75,000. I'm gonna show you the comps. I'm gonna show you everything you need to see. So my due diligence is done. I know this neighborhood pretty well. There is water and sewer on the street. This is a great lot in a up and coming neighborhood in Charlotte. This neighborhood is called Reed Park. I used to volunteer in this neighborhood occasionally, mainly in the J.T. Williams neighborhood off of Statesville. But I just want to show you the lot. This is the lot. Typically, what you want to do is you want to put eyes on a lot. I'm going to put eyes on it. I'm going to go to Google Earth, and I want to drop down on a lot. I want to put eyes on it. If you're not using Google Earth, this is a great tool that you can use to basically just make sure you can see, what you're going after. Okay, I'm gonna drop it right there. That little man, I just dropped it, and as you can see, my lot is just heavily wooded. That's it. Trees. There's nothing wrong with trees on a lot. Pretty flat. Again, it's just a bunch of trees. And that's a beautiful thing. As you can see, this is kind of a up and coming neighborhood, so you see trash and all types of stuff over there, but that's pretty normal. But these houses selling in this neighborhood for that bag, okay? All right, we've seen a lot Gucci, okay? There's nothing, there's some big trees they got to drop, but no worries. I'm not going to build it anyway. I'm going to sell it to somebody else who's going to build it, okay? All right, so basically, right now, I just called, and this bid is at $35,000, and I need to upset it to $36,750. August 12th is the last day. If no one upsets it before me, I'm willing, ladies and gentlemen, I'm willing to run this bid all the way up to about 50, maybe even 60,000. You may say, why? Because I know I can move this lot fast. I'm gonna show you the comps. Let me go ahead and show you the comps over here, so you can see what these lots are selling for. This is the MLS on my right hand side, the multiple listing service. In Charlotte, North Carolina, you do not have to be a broker or a real estate agent. You can be what we call an assistant. All you have to do is take a little class online, and a broker can look out for the cookout and get you in there, okay? All right, so I want to show you, blue is closed. This little lot sold for 70, okay? This little lot sold for 75. This is too small. That's why that ain't sale for nothing, but that's under contract, and it's got bad topography. Somebody crazy, they got this lot listed for 235. But let's click on this one. All right, my lot is bigger than this lot, okay? My lot is 0.0249 acres, which is beautiful. Same neighborhood, just a couple streets over. 5 days on the market, ladies and gentlemen. This is not a business that bought this. The seller was a business. Look, Revival Investments, but the buyer was a regular Joe Schmo, okay? And what I mean is the buyer was just, a regular person, out-of-state investor, Sordo Nelson. So as you can see, and I want to go in here and kind of look. These jokers, beautiful thing. These jokers got this lot for $1,500, right? And a month later, sold it for $75,000. Look at the plays that's going on in Charlotte, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the plays. Look at the plays. So this joker made about 70 bands. Whoever Revival Investments, I don't know how they got it, but they did it. They took it down, right? Warranty deed. That's how I know they took it down right here. They bought it from a Shirley. Whoever her name is, Shirley Lewis. And they took it down and they basically put it on the market, and they got a buyer in 5 days. And these are the type of plays that I'm going after with this money, this type of money that I got to pay a fee on, because again, this is basically how to leverage. You got to learn how to leverage sooner or later. This might be an advanced move. It might not be an advanced move. Some people May can jump on this. Some people may can't, but I just wanted to share it with you because this is it's beautiful to me. So again, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for checking me out. If you want to get connected to me, please look in the comments. I'm sorry, look in the description. I do have a free Udemy course, off-market land deals. The link is in the description. You can check me out on YouTube. We Are Land Specialists. If you're not watching, you can check me out on Facebook. We Are Land Specialists. If you have any ideas, any videos you want me to do, go ahead and drop a link in the description. I'll be sure to get to those videos for you. So a couple ways. I do have what we call a joint venture program. JV program is basically where you can find opportunities in the markets that I'm hunting at or that I'm looking for deals, and I already got the buyers lined up. Straight up, my buyers close between 21 to 30 days. It is a 50-50 split. You get a lot for 20, I sell it for 40. You make 10,000, I make 10,000. Short and sweet. So again, I appreciate you and you. I will be coming to you in another video showing you how to buy these lots at the auction online, where you don't have to go to the courthouse. You don't have to put down a deposit until you win the bid. Okay, another strategy I've been using these days. I was not going to share this, but I am going to share this because I want people to see how many different ways you could do deals out here. So thank you. Appreciate you. I'm gone like the wind.